Hello everyone, good morning. Tara, coffee tayo. So, by the way guys, gusto ko lang kayo i-inform again na malapit na po yung ating virtual assistant training another batch. Ngayong December 7 na po siya. So, sa mga gustong humabol po ng ating training, just message me directly or comment in the section box below para mag-guide ko kayo sa process paano mag-reserve ng slots, okay? So guys, again, yung ating virtual assistant training is open for all. So kung wala kang experience, walang problema, ano man yung work status mo ngayon, ano mga position mo sa work mo ngayon is okay, you're welcome here as long as na gusto mong matuto sa virtual assistant training natin, okay? And again guys, yung virtual assistant training natin is meron po siyang kasamang international internship, yung pinaka-exciting part. At hindi rin mawawala yung ating 5 partner agencies international na kung saan